So now you're at the fun part of this process, I think, and that's the decorating. I've already decorated quite a bit, and it's pretty much done with decorations, but I'm going to show you how to put a few of these in. You're going to have a couple of bows like this that are going to go on either side of the top. And it's just a fine wire, and you'll just tuck it in there, just give it a little bit of push. It may or may not come in contact with the Oasis, but it doesn't need to. It just sits in like that. Got another one for this side. That's going to just tuck right in there. Give this one a little bit better, bigger. There you go. And let's find another place for this bow here. Here's a good empty spot. So what you do with these bows are, generally we'll put five or six around the bottom layer, then come up into maybe the top, the bottom third, put maybe another 3 or 4, then come up closer to the top in the top third and maybe add 2 or 3. And then you're going to meet up top there. But this one looks like we need one right here in the middle, and again it's just pushing it in there. Now I can feel that foam Oasis, so just push it right in there and it'll stay in place. We did put quite a few of these little cones, frosted cones, and it looks like we could put one right about here. So we'll tuck that one right in there. And this is on a pick, a short little piece of wood, and it's been wired to that wood for you. So you're going to take it when you're all done and just push it in there so you can feel it into that foam. And lastly, you're going to have a number of these little clusters of red berries. So let's look to see where I got an empty spot for a berry. Looks like maybe one could go right about here. So again, we can it's on a little bit of a larger pick, so you can feel that foam, push it right in. And you want to push them in so you got some sticking out, some inside, just like you're decorating your tree at home. You don't have them all on the outside, you stick a few in. So that's it. Lastly, you're going to get a little bit of this baby's breath right in there. And honestly, it's just like this. You'll pull it off the piece and just kind of place it there. Doesn't need to be picked or stuck on wire. And there's your finished product. So if you have a Lazy Susan, they're very handy, especially for this. The wreath, not so much, but definitely for this, a Lazy Susan works wonderfully for you to spin around and check it out. So have a happy Thanksgiving, and we're glad you participated in our kits this year. We're missing the closeness in the greenhouse, but maybe next year. So happy holidays, and thanks for being a loyal customer of Evergreen.